Understand the key differences between death benefits and cash values in whole life policies.
Like the full face amount. And I realized that if many people in one comment section thought that we need to talk about it. Every whole life policy has two completely separate components. The first is the death benefit, and that's the number on your policy document, the 250,000, the 500,000, whatever your policy says. That's what your family receives when you pass away. It's not a balance you can draw from while you're alive. The second component is the cash value, and that's a reserve that builds up inside the policy over time. But that's a completely different number from the death benefit. And in the early years, it's significantly lower than most people expect. Here's what the cash value growth actually looks like in a traditional whole life policy. In year 1, and often through year 5 or 6, your cash value is significantly lower than the total premiums you've paid in. So why do people often get the wrong idea? There's a few reasons. Number one is marketing language. Phrases like living benefits, your money, build wealth inside your policy are all accurate, but they describe what the policy becomes over time, not what it is on day one. But a lot of the content out there shows you the end state, year 20 or year 30, when the cash value is substantial, without showing you what years 1 through 5 actually look like. And that's what I'm trying to fix right now. If accessing cash value is an important goal for you, not just the death benefit, there are ways the policy can be structured to help with that. It takes intention, a clear illustration, and a conversation about what you actually want the policy to accomplish. Whether you're looking at a new policy or you already have one and want to understand it better, there are 3 questions worth asking. First, what is the projected cash value at years 1, 5, 10, and 20? Any reputable agent will show you this on the policy illustration. So here's what I want you to take away. Whole life insurance designed well is a genuinely powerful tool. The death benefit provides certainty for your family. The cash value can become a source of tax-advantaged growth and flexible access in retirement, but it works best when your expectations match how it actually works. If you have a whole life or IUL policy and you're not sure what your cash value looks like right now, or you're thinking about getting coverage and want to make sure it's structured the right way for your situation, I want to help.